So that's life. Okay. So guys, can you have a go at questions 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5? Okay. So Hamad, you can ask Andre if you want to have a look at your transcripts. Okay, you can ask him to show you what the grades you got for every question on the test. All right. If you want to, you can ask him to show you what you got for every question on the test. I have your question paper here. I printed out everything that everybody did, so so nobody has anything to tell me. You know, let me see. Let me even just go back to that again and see what you did. What let you down or what made you pass? Or, I don't know. This is let me see. Yeah. So, and I don't know what you mean by, I don't know what you mean. Like, I don't know what your expectations are for what you got. So, I can only give you what is on your paper that I saw. Yeah. You got your further marks. So maybe you can. Mm. Mm. Mm-hmm. Really? What did you score in the first one and what did you score in the second one? I've got your second grade here with me. I know what you scored. I know what you scored. So what did you score? I can't remember what you scored on the first one, but I definitely have the second one with me. Abdullah Alad, were you here yesterday? Ah, so you're not happy that you got something more. Okay, right. We cry. We there now. You're not happy that you got something more. Okay. Who are you angry at? Who are you not happy with? Are you not happy with me or not happy with yourself? I want to know whose fault it is now. Is it teacher's fault or Hamad's fault? Oh my goodness. Abdullah, do you want me to do the first one for you? I was talking to Hamad. Don't worry about my conversations. Do you want me to do the first one so that you can know how to do it?
Yes, please, miss.
Okay, so we do it the same way as we do the same way as we do expanding brackets with algebra. Okay, and you have to know that when you are doing square root of this times square root of that, the answer is equal to 3. Yeah, the same number square root by itself 2 times is to just give you the number. Yeah.
And if you multiply the square root 3 by 9, what are you going to get?
So this is 3 plus 3 root 9. Oh, 9 root 3. Okay, so this times this and this times this. Okay, plus 4 root 3 plus 36. 4 times 9. Yeah. And then what you do is you add the number terms, 39 plus, when they have the same roots or common roots, then you can add them only and only if they have the same roots. Okay, you can add the outside numbers. So that would be what, 13 plus 13 root 3. Okay, let's check. I don't know now. Yeah, so that's how we do it. So that example has been done for you. So you can do the rest now. Don't be so hard on yourself, okay? Take it easy. Know that you are improving, and that's what's important. Okay, let me mark those that just came in. Yeah. Okay, I'll check for you, all right, Abdullah. Ariam, Reem, Ibrahim Al-Majed. Is Reem there? Ibrahim Al-Majed?
Yes.
Ali Ashrani? Khaled Bauji? So
yes, Miss Molly.
Okay. Khaled Bauji. My new rule is if I call you, you don't answer. If I ask you a question, you don't answer, but I already marked you in. I will mark you absent and take you out of the register. I'll mark you up. I'll remove you from the class and mark you absent because you cannot be in the class and you're not responding. Okay?
Okay, miss. Can you please check my answer?
So what did you put as your answer? Let me check now for you.
I didn't know how to write the square root.
-7 plus 5 root 7. Yeah? Is that your answer?
Yes. -7 plus 5 square root 7.
Okay. Let's see whether anybody else will get something different. Is anybody else working on it? No. Okay.
Yes, I got the same.
You got the same?
Yes.
87 plus 5 root 7. Let's see. Well done, guys. Okay. Keep going. Finish off the other one for me, please. And if we finish off in good time, I can just use the rest of the time to complete all your module work and anything else that needs to be done. Good morning. Okay, so -19 minus 2 root 5, yeah? Is that your answer? I'm at -19 minus 2 root 5. Okay, let's check. -19 minus 2 root 5. Well done. Keep on going, guys. Well done, guys. Okay. Um, I think maybe I need to talk to you. I know that these grades, maybe they are important to you, but when you look at yourself, when you look at your education, what do you attach to your education? Do you attach the numbers that you get to it? Or do you attach your personal development, your improvement? What do you think progress means? Or success? Or I don't know, like, what does that mean to you? Because you can get, okay, so for you, it's just number, but you're not looking at the progress you have made from when you started and where you are now. That's what you need to be looking at. If you really want to grow in life, and now this is in everything, when you want to do something, you first of all have to ask yourself, where am I? Don't look at what anybody else is doing, okay? Whether somebody else is getting 100% or 1,000,000%, don't look at them. Just ask yourself, where am I now? Am I getting 1% now? Okay, that's fine. I want to try and get 3%. When you have got 3%, then you can say, okay, next now I have to get 5%. Do you understand? And that's how life works. If you look at your grade and you say, oh, this grade is too small, you're not thinking about yourself, whether you have made any progress or not. This grade is too much, it's too big, or I want somebody, see, these are the problems. Maybe somebody should help me and give me so that I can get that 80% or that 90%. That is wrong, because you're not looking at yourself as an individual and somebody who is growing to know, where did I start from, or where am I starting from, and where do I want to get to? What do I want to get out of this thing? Yeah, but now you're only being hard on yourself because maybe you didn't get maybe what the grade you're expecting. But the thing is, maybe you overshot yourself, or you didn't think, you're not taking the whole picture into account. Yeah, you're not looking at yourself. I have failed so many times in my life. For you to see me being confident, the way you see me solving maths with you, I was not like that 20 years ago. There was a time, if you put a little bit of arithmetic on the board, I will cry. I literally cry. Yes. So don't be so hard on yourself. Yeah, you have to look at where you are starting from. Okay, today I am 5%. I want to be 10% next. I want to try and improve to 7%. Then when I got that 7%, then I can get to 10%. You can't get from 1% to 2,000,000%. You're not looking at yourself and judging yourself actually. Yeah. And grade is just a number. In the end, true success comes from those who look inwards into themselves and look at their achievements based on their own abilities and see how they are making slow but steady progress, rather than wanting to hit it and shoot it immediately. And in the end, you don't really know whether you got what you said you got. Yeah, you don't really know whether you got that thing that you said you got. When I was graduating from uni in this school, I was actually saying, oh my goodness, I'm not sure if they give me first class, I can prove it. Because you can carry your first class for a job and you get there, and they will, because you said you got first class, they will ask you the most difficult question they did not ask anybody else, and you will fail all the interviews because you said you got first class. Yeah, you have to defend anything that you have in life. That's just how it works. Okay. Because when we give people grade, the first thing people will do, what did you get? What did you get? What did you get? You're asking other people, but you're not asking yourself, what did you get? And the only person you should be in competition with is your previous self. You need to ask yourself, what was I getting before I started this course? And what am I getting now? I'm trying. I've made progress. I think I can be better if I try a little bit more. And that's all. That's the only business you should have with yourself and your studies. Yeah? Okay, so what are we getting for question 4? 1, 2, 3, 4.
15 minus 3 root 3.
I'm not mad. I just wish you can take what I'm telling, what I'm giving to you. Okay. I'm not really mad. That's just how I express myself. But I wish you can take what I'm giving to you because I'm giving something important to you. And sometimes when you are in school, you're not only in school to learn maths, English, science, all these things. No. Sometimes you learn something, a skill that you get for your life that is going to make you, that is going to be a life-changing experience for you. Yeah. So I'm not mad. All right. Okay. Well done. Who gave that answer? I don't even know. I was just talking away. Okay. So the last one.
$14 plus root square 2.
It's 14.
Just 14.
14?
Yeah, just 14.
Yes.
I don't know what people are saying. Let me check the charts and see. 14 plus, plus square root of 2.
It's just 14.
Yes.
Oh,
14.
just 14.
Yes.
Is it? Oh my goodness. Oh, well done. Okay. Right. No, somebody said 14 plus square root of 2. I heard that. Abdullah allowed. That was you.
Yes, that was me.
Okay. All right. So you guys are done well. Yeah? You're doing very well. Okay. Now, this was the one that we did with difference of 2 squares, and we use it to eliminate the root sign when you do 4 minus this and plus this, and we use it for conjugate pairs. So have a look at this one. Try this one out. See whether you can do it and see what happens when you do it. 4 minus root 2. Oh, and 3 plus, no, this is different. Yeah. Try that one. Let's see. What's the trick in, or what's the catch in that one? I thought that was 4 minus root 2 and 4 plus root 2. Okay, anybody got the answers to these ones? 4 minus root 3 times 3 plus root 2. Is that not the same thing as the ones we've been doing before? 4 times 3 is 12, plus 4 root 2. Yeah? Yeah. We'll end up with some roots in the end that we cannot really get rid of. Okay. Minus 3 root 3. And then minus root 3 times root 3, which is root 6. Yeah. So let's see what they have to say. Yeah. In fact, with an expression like this, we would be better off leaving it in the brackets. Yeah. Okay, because it didn't really make no difference. You trying to simplify it. Okay. So we've done rationalizing the denominator yesterday. I think we did that. But we didn't do it with something like this. So another way, you can have a fraction. This is the type that we did yesterday. I called the register again. Did you answer your name? Khaled. You didn't answer your name. Yeah. I called the register, but you didn't answer your name. I called it again after you came in and you didn't answer your name still. So I've marked you in now, okay? Ali, let me see. No, yeah, I marked you in. You are fine. Okay. You guys worry so much about your attendance. Okay, so we know about rationalizing the denominator. Yeah, we did that yesterday. To change that square root in the bottom number, we times it by the same square root, but we times the top and the bottom number by the same square root. Now this time, and that's where I was going the other time, this time you have 4 plus root 2 in the bottom number. So to be able to rationalize this one, if you multiply the top number and the bottom number by the conjugate pair, this here has a conjugate, yeah? Like, how do I call it now? What's the meaning of the word? Let's see. Yeah, let's use our good friend Google. Maybe if we get the actual meaning of the word conjugate, it might be helpful. Yeah, a different form. Yeah, conjugate, let's see. Yeah, so it's like a twin that is slightly different from you, or a conjugate pair. It's like, I don't know how to describe it. Yeah, but in maths, when they say the conjugate pair, so if you have -2, +2, these are like, you understand? It's still 2, but this one is on the other side and this one is on the other side. So it's like a conjugate pair, okay? So yeah, so to be able to use the conjugate pair of this one is the thing that would get rid of the square root sign. Yeah, so if you use 4 minus root 2, yeah, that will get rid of the root sign. If you times those two together, it will get rid of the root sign, and then you will not have roots in the bottom number anymore. Yeah, so let's try that out. 4 times 4 would give you 16. 4 times root 2 will give you plus 4 root 2. -2 times 4, negative root 2 times 4 would give you -4 root 2. And root 2, negative root 2 times positive root 2 would give you -2. Yeah? So now these guys will cancel out each other. plus this minus this will cancel out each other. And what you have left is 16 minus 2 in the bottom, which is going to be equal to 14. Yeah, so let's see how they explain it. Don't worry, they'll give the explanation and you can write it down. I've explained it to you. You can give the explanation and then you can write it down. Okay, so that's how you multiply the top number and the bottom number by 4 minus root 2. And then you will take care, that will take care of the bottom number. And the bottom number will become, I told you 16 minus 2 is 14. And then the top number would, you just multiply it out with this one, okay? 7 times 4 minus root 2 will give you 28 minus 7 root 2, yeah? And you can simplify that. You can cancel down. You can cancel down. 2 can go into, or 7 can go into this one 2 times, and 7 can go into this one 4 times. Yeah. What you have to know is that if you write something as a single fraction like this, yeah, it's the same thing as 28 over 14 minus 7 root 2 over 14. You remember when we're doing fractions, yeah? We wrote it as a single fraction like that. So that's the same thing as that one. Now you can cancel those guys down. Yeah, that will give you 28 over 14 is what? 7 can go into the 2 of them 2 times, and 7 can go there 4 times, minus 7 can go into 14 2 times, and 7 can go into 7 1 time. So you'd have root 2 on the top. So then you can then simplify it into 1, like by getting rid of the double on the bottom. Yeah, it becomes 4 minus root 2. Okay, is that clear? Right, so this is the one, the challenging one that we're going to start to try out now. So make sure that you can do that, follow through the steps, step by step, follow through everything step by step, and then we can, when you are ready, let me know and we can get onto the questions. I think the questions are on this page. Okay, let's see if we can do some. Okay, see if you can have a go at this one for me, yeah? See if you can do this one for me. I'll check now. 8 plus 4 root 2, root 3. Okay, we'll see. Anybody else? Anybody else? Okay. Abdulrahman, how did you get the color in the square root sign in the chat? Well done to you. What combination of keys did you use?
I copied.
Okay.
Oh,
You did what?
I copied this sign.
Okay, you copied it and pasted.
Yeah.
Well done. Okay, let's see. Let's see whether you guys got it right. Well done. Is that what you people said? Let me see. 8 plus 4 root 3. Yes, well done to you. Okay, I think you people are ready now. Let's see. At least you cheered up now. You're having a happy moment. Okay, right. So questions 1 to 6, I think. Off you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay, but what's the answer for the question before?
4 roots. What was it again? 8 plus 4 root 3.
8 plus?
Oh, hang on a minute. 8 plus 4 root 3. 8 plus 4 root 3. Yeah? It's actually something like that, but we got rid of the bottom one. The first one is the one we did yesterday, 6 over root 7 times root 7 over root 7. Yeah? And these two will become 7. So we'll have 6 root 7 over 7. I don't know why I'm even doing that one for you. So easy. It's so easy. Well done. Okay, we'll see. Be right back. Wow, this weather. This weather is crazy. Okay, guys, finish up, finish up, finish up. Okay, we're nearly there. Oh. Mm. Okay. Mm. Right then, so let me look at some of your answers. Okay, let's have a look. Question 2. Let me see. Question 2, 20 root 5. Anybody else put it in? Question 2. So let's try this one. 6 root 7 over 7. Yeah, and what was this one? 20 root 5? No? Over what? It's over something. Let's see. 20 root 5 over what?
14.
over 14. Oh, over 14. 20 minus 5 root 2 over 14. 20 minus 5 root 2. Well done. um, how about question 3 then? Let's have a look at the chart. 77 minus 11 root 5. Okay, 77. Is that correct? Minus 11 root
Root
5
root 6. That's what.
over 6.
Root 6,
No.
teacher.
Root 6
Yes.
over what?
Over 34.
35?
No,
No, no.
34, teacher.
34. All right.
43. 43.
43, teacher. Correct.
43. Okay. Okay. Well done, guys. You're still saying it like you would have said it the normal way in Arabic. Okay. What about this one?
21 plus 1 root 3 over 23.
Over 23?
Yes.
Let me check.
21 plus 3 root 3.
Yes.
Plus 3 root 3?
Yes.
Or 3 root 3. Okay. Okay. 21 plus 3 root 3 over 23. Okay. Why are we not getting it right? Okay, let's do that one together and see why we're not getting it right. 6 over 7 minus root 3 minus 7 minus root 3 over 7 minus, times, not minus, times minus 7 plus, this should be plus over root 3. Let me get a better color pen and make it much thicker. Okay. So I'll expand them separately. 6 times 7 plus root 3 is what? 6 times 7 is 42. Plus 6 root 3 and 7 minus root 3 times 7 plus root 3. 7 times 7 is 49. 7 plus 7 root 3 minus 7 root 3 minus root 3 times 3 is 3 minus 3. Yeah. So 49 minus 3 is 46. So that would be 42 plus 6 root 3 over 46. Strange. But is that not the same thing? Is that the same thing you guys got? Okay. Abdurrahman, which answer is that for? I don't know if these are
5, teacher.
number 5. Okay.
This answer, teacher, you got it's the same.
The same as you guys, the same one, yeah?
We simplify.
Simplified it.
Yes.
Let me see. If 2 can go into that one, 23. 2 can go into this one, 21 plus 6 over root 3 times 40 over 46. Yeah, 3 root 3. So how is that not correct? Can that be simplified any further or any different?
Maybe they don't want us to simplify. Put your answer 46 down.
Okay. Because sometimes some computer is not that sensible. Maybe computer is not that always that clever. Thank you so much. Yeah, you see, sometimes it's not that clever. It doesn't know what to do once you take it out of the instruction they have given to it. Okay, so next one then. Question 5. Should I take your answer, Abdurrahman? 35 plus 7 root 3. Plus 5 root, 35 plus 5 root 7 over 21.
21, yeah.
Well done. How about the last one?
12 plus 4 root 7.
12 plus 4 root 6.
Root 7.
Root 7. Well done, guys. Great job. Okay. Let's see how they do this one, okay? This is a tough one. Yeah, it's not really tough per se. It's just that you're going to be doing much more work because you have to times this by this one and times this, and it's all going to be long. Did they give any question in the end? No question in the end. They just solved it. Because they didn't put any questions, I will not get you to do that because if I get you to do it, there are no questions for you to try out. So let's have a look at part 3, okay? This is part 1, part 2, part 1, Surds 1, Surds 2. This is Surds 1 still. Okay, let me look for Surds 3. You know what a Surd is? Okay, we will do that one when we come back. We'll match them. And then we'll go for more advanced stuff. Yeah. Yeah, so this will be a good one. I'll write them down. When we come back from the break, we can do them, okay? You can try them out, and when we come back, you can tell me what they are. Match them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, okay? You can play with them, see which ones match. And when we come back from the break, you can tell me what they are. Okay. Okay, guys, I'm just going to be in the background and I will see you back after the break, okay? That will be, what time is it now? That will be 10:45, all right? You can go have your break now if you want to. You can have an early break.
جميلة.
يا ولد اخبارك علومك عاش من قرار رسائلك يا شيخ. وين ايامك ما شاء الله من متى في الرياض؟ والله العظيم يعني اسال مخانيث ذولا عبد الله الحارثي يقول رقم عدي يقول ما هو معي حسن
مايك
معاويه
شغال يا
لان
المسجل.
احترمت الجوال. والله بس دامك في الرياض والله انه امس عن الدفتر خنش ليله ما شفتك ولا حاجه. قلت والله قلت في بالي قلت يمكن انه قد جاء.
والله لي من يوم الثلاث، من يوم الثلاث هذا يعني هذا اليوم ثلاث. أما مشغل المايك أنا ما دريت يا رجال.
يا
Okay, guys, we're back on. I hope you guys have had a good rest. Right, let me stop the share. Yeah, I hope you've all had a good rest. So we're back on now to do the second part of the lesson. I'm going to do the register and then we go back to my maths and have a look at what you were looking at. Abdullah. Abdullah allowed?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Naji.
Yes.
Abdul Rahman. Alanazi. Ariam.
Yes, I'm here.
Abdul Rahman. Hamad.
Yes.
Yes, teacher, I'm here.
Okay. Reem. So there's no Reem today. Ibrahim Al-Majed.
Yes.
Khaled Alotaibi.
Yes, I'm here.
So Reem came in. Ali Ashrani.
Yes, miss.
Abdurrahman Al-Shamri. Uday.
Present.
Khaled Bauji. Okay. So I'm just going to go back to what we were doing before we went on the break. Yeah. I think this one is finishing at 12:15. So we want to try and I've marked you, Reem. We want to try and catch up. All right. We want to try and finish off with this Surds today so that tomorrow we can do the complex numbers and we've got topic 7 out of the way. Share screen. Okay, so I don't know, all my annotations have gone off. Let me see. A surd is a number that contains 3 basic rules. I taught you this one. I taught you all the 3 rules. You know them. Yeah, the multiplication rule, the division rule, and when you're squaring surds, you have the, yeah, when you're squaring the roots of surds, yeah, what you get. Okay. So I'm just going to put this back on because everything vanished. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. So which ones match? If you simplify A, what do you get? You guys let me know, please. A is 1, is it? Yeah, okay, let's see. Well done. Okay, anybody else found any other ones that match? Eight and 7. What is 8? 8 and 7. You want to match the letters and the numbers. C is 7, yeah? C is 7. Okay, let's see. Where's C? C is this one. Well done. Okay, few more to go. Well done. That's Reem. Well done, Reem. Oh, it's okay. 2 and G, 8 with D, 8 with D. Where's D now? D with 8. What's the other one? 2 and G. G, where's G? G and 2. Well done, Reem. 5 with D. Okay, let's see for you, Naji. 5 and D. Oh dear. 6 and D. Okay, let's see. 6 and D. Well done, Reem. Come on, guys. Where are you guys?
8 with D.
8 with D. D is gone already.
I mean B.
B and 8. Dear me. Oh dear. 6 and D. Okay. Oh, 6 and D is gone. Yeah, you get
4 and H.
3. Oh, which one and which one?
4 and H.
4 and H. Oh, well done, Oday. Well done.
Yeah.
Yes.
B.
Khaled, 5 and B. Let's see. Well done, guys. And we got two more to go.
3 with A.
3 with E. Yay! And now the last one. Of course, the last one will be this two, so there's nothing to solve anymore. Well done, guys. Great job. Okay, that's a good way to start the lesson. Okay, so multiplying brackets involving source is the same as multiplying brackets that don't involve source. We've seen that already. We've seen that. We've done that. Okay, but the only thing is this time we're doing it with alphabets. Okay, we're doing it in an algebraic way. Yeah. So here they have 1 plus root x times 3 minus root x. Okay, 1 times 3 is 3. 1 times root x, 1 times negative root x is negative root x. Root x times 3 is plus 3 root x. Root x times negative root x is negative x. Okay, and then you have 3 minus 1 plus 3 is 2 plus 2 root x. minus x, okay? So that's how they got that answer. So you can write that example down and then have a go at these ones for me. Question 1, question 2, and question 3. Okay, we'll see now, Hamad. See what the others get. 75 centimeters, peaches and cream. How about question 2? Okay, well done. Well done, Hamad. Okay, anybody else? Anybody else? Are people working on it?
Number 2.
Yes. Okay. Go ahead then. Let me see how many seats are in this one. Oh, 60. Oh my goodness, please, I don't feel very well. I have no energy. I don't feel well. I'm just barely talking to you guys, okay? I have no strength. Okay. Right. Question 1. Let's have a look at the answers. 5 root x plus 4. Oh, 5 root x plus 4x. Let's have a look. This times this is 5 root x plus 4x. Yeah. Okay, that looks right. Let's try it out. Let's see whether we get that one right. Well done. Well done, Hamad. Okay, so next one.
8 plus 2 root x minus x.
Okay. 8 plus 2 root x minus x. 8. Oh, let's see. Oh, well done. And the last one.
X minus y.
Okay. X minus y. Okay, let's have a look. Well done. Well done. Well done, Ali. Okay, so well done, guys. Moving to the next one. Expand the brackets and simplify. Use Q for square root A, add for x squared, and hash for Q. All right. So now you have to do this one. and this one. Okay, keep on trying. Okay, guys, keep on trying. I'll be right back. Oh. Okay. Right, Emma, I'll put your answers in the chat for me. Okay. Okay. Let me put my numbers on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, question 1 looks. Oh, Clara, you're here. Aria, okay. Okay, do that now. Wait. Oh, come on, where is it now? Breakout rooms. Create. Clara. Okay, so Aria Malanazi, are you there? So I don't know if Ariam is in class. Yesterday was the same problem. So I think I'm going to do the same thing. If she's not in class, I'm going to mark her absent and remove her from the class because she's on, but she's not there. Yeah, it's the same problem. Okay, she has gone. Thank God. All right. So who has the answer for question 1? Let's have a look. 2 times 2 plus. Ooh, I don't know. 2x to the power of 3 plus 2x plus 2. Oh my goodness, that's a lot. Did anybody do question 2? Maybe we can leave question 1 and come back to it later. Abdullah, is that for question 2 or question 3 or question 1? Oh, Abdulrahman, yeah. Is that for question 1 or question 2? Question 1. Should we try your answer and see? And then maybe you can be the teacher and tell us how you worked it out. 2x to the power of, it says hash for 3, plus 2x plus 2 root x. Let's try that. Yay! So do you want to be the teacher and tell us what you did? This is gonna be hard. Right. Abdulrahman, you have to explain how you worked out your answer to the class, okay?
Yes, please explain. Don't understand.
Yeah, for the benefit of those who don't know how to do it so that they can learn from you. And you get 1 bonus point. 1 extra point. Guys, what don't you understand? Use what is outside the bracket to multiply everything that is inside the bracket. 2 roots x times x to the power of 2.5, yeah? Plus 2 roots x times root x plus 2 root x. Hamad, which of it do you not, which one do you struggle with?
The first one?
The first one.
The
Yeah.
power.
Yeah. So Abdulrahman, please can you explain to Hamad how you got this first one? You can say it in Arabic, okay, if you want to. or if anybody else wants to say it in Arabic. Oh, you're getting magic answers now. Magic answers that you cannot explain. I need to see how you got your answer, Abdurrahman. We need, all of us are waiting for you.
Nobody answering.
Yeah. This is what I get. This is what I get. Guys, go on. I'll find the explanation for you, okay? And go on to the next questions.
Okay.
Definitely got that right, but someone doesn't know how to explain it. You got it, Ali. Yeah, what did you get? Okay, explain to everybody in the class. We need to know, everybody needs to know how you got it, okay? 2 times root x multiplied by x to the power of 2.5. What is 2.5 as a fraction? That's the first thing you need to ask yourself. What is it as a fraction? 5/2. Hey, guys, you forget so easily. Anyway, I'm going to stop there. That's the only clue I have for you, Hamad. Yeah, Ibrahim, go ahead. Yes, we need you to explain it. We need somebody, one of you, either to say it in Arabic so that everybody understands. Yeah? Somebody who is, I'm going to give that person now, if you can explain it, I'm going to give you bank in the exam, 5 marks. I mean it. If you can explain it in Arabic and, don't tell me in English, just tell the class in Arabic what you did for question 1. You're going to get 5 marks in the exams.
Assalamu alaikum.
Pardon?
Walaikum assalam.
Go ahead, explain it. Then I will ask the class if you explain it to them well.
يا شباب أول شيء 2 سكوير روت اكس لازم تضربها مع كل الأرقام اللي موجودة داخل البراكتس.
اوكي.
والسكوير روت اكس هو اكس to the power of 0.5. فلما تضرب الباور مع الباور تعرفون ان هالشيء يكون اد، يصير ادنج على الباور. ف 2 square root x times x to the power of 2.5 يصير 2x كيوب، لأن السكوير روت x هو x to the power of 0.5. فلما تسوي 0.5 added to 2.5 يصير x كيوب.
شكرا، جزاك الله خير.
2 square root x تضربها مع square root x يطلع لك 2x، لأن السكوير روت مع السكوير روت يصير لهم كانسل فيتم لك 2x و 2 square root x time to multiply by 1 يطلع لك نفس الشيء ما يتغير أي شيء.
Woohoo! Somebody just got himself 5 out of 100. Woohoo!
Oh, teacher, he deserved 10 maybe.
Okay, guys, now I'm going to explain it to you in English, okay? Now you got it in Arabic. I'm going to explain it to you in English, okay? Oh my goodness. Wow, these children are so clever. But you all pretend that you don't know anything. That's why some of you in the exam, you fly out and get 100 over 100. Okay, that's good.
Teacher, I
And
do
I'll be thinking-
understand the first one and the third one, but in the middle 2x, I don't know how to get it.
Why? That's easy.
Because he said
2 times-
he multiply inside the bracket and get the answer. And
look,
powers.
look. Okay, you guys stop. Let's write this all out and we can do it on my whiteboard so that everybody can do it, okay? So that we can do it properly. 2 square root of x times x to the power of 2.5 plus square root of x plus 1, okay? Let's go to my whiteboard. Ibrahim Ahmajed, you have to make sure that you remind me, say, Miss, where is my 5 marks? So if I didn't offer that 5 marks, nobody will say anything. You people like marks in your life, eh? You like grade. Okay.
He deserves it, teacher.
Yes, it does. 2 root x times x to the power of 2.5 plus square root of x plus 1. Okay, let me do them here on the side so that you see them clearly. I'm going to make this smaller. I'll put this here. Okay, let's do 2 times root x. Yeah, 2 times root x times x to the power of 2.5. Yeah, so you got this here. It's a root. This one is it's a power. How can you tackle that? You can put them in the same format. Yeah, they're in different formats, so it's confusing. And I already told you when you were doing topic 1 of foundation math that fractional powers are just roots. Okay, roots are fractional power. X to the power of a half is the same thing as the square root of x. Okay, did I not say that in foundation maths?
Yes.
You know, and x to the power of a half is the same as x to the power of 0.5. Yeah, you can write it anyhow. So let's replace that. 2 times x to the power of 0.5, yeah, times x to the power of 2.5. Now you got index problem, okay? And I said to you when we were doing topic 1 in foundation math that when the bases are the same, what do you have to do?
So we add the powers.
Now you remember. Okay, so
Okay.
that's the first one. 2x to the power of 3. That one is sorted. Okay, and then the next one is see, that's why I like to put different problems so that you guys can see the challenge. Now you know it's 2 times root x times root x. What's that going to give you? From what we've been doing this morning, what should that give you? What we've been doing from yesterday till now, till this morning, till now, what should this give you?
2x.
What is root
2x.
x times root x?
2x.
Thank you, guys. Okay, and if you times anything by 1, that thing will just be itself anyways. All right. Well done to those of you who got it right. Abdurrahman Alanzi. Abdurrahman Alanazi. Which one is your name? You have so many names. Well done to you. You played with your further maths, and you played with your foundation maths, and now you came to further maths to deal with everybody. You're like, this further maths, I'm going to show you people that my name is Abdurrahman. Okay. Right. Let's go back to my maths and finish the other problems. Oh, gosh. Okay, so we got question 1. So you guys should be able to do question 2, 3, 4. Question 1 was hard. They shouldn't have put that one on the first one. They should have put it at the end. You can't start the quiz with something that students cannot do. Because most students, once they can't do the first problem, they assume that all the problems are hard. They will not even bother looking at the next one. Okay, give us your answer then in the chat. Give us your answer in the chat and I'll check it for you, okay? Ooh. (28 plus 11 root x plus x. Should we have a look? 28 plus 11 root x plus x. Let me see. Well done, Hamad. Well done to you. Okay. So you can continue. You guys can continue working on it. Yeah, and with that, we'll hopefully we can finish off with that today. We can see all the challenging ones today. Okay. Question 3. Anybody else done question 3? So let's have a look at question 3 then. 35.
No, teacher. Road 35.
30. Plus
Road 5x plus root 7x
root 5x
plus root 7x
plus root 7x. Okay, let's see.
plus x power 2.
Plus root 7x. I'm not sure the way we are writing this out.
No, teacher.
Plus x to the power of 2. I don't know whether it's the way that we're writing it out. So I have to do it out. Let me see what exactly you're talking about, because maybe you've put it the other way. You know, maybe it's x root 7 and you are saying 7 root 7x. You understand? So let me do the expansion myself and see how you worked it out to get your answers. Root 5 times root 7 plus x root 5, exactly. Hang on a minute. X root 5 plus x root 7 plus x squared. So maybe that's the problem. Let's see. Let's try that. Hmm. Okay, so what's the problem then? What else gives us 35? Yeah, it's just 5 times 7. Right. I'll put that on my sheet of paper here.
I think it's 2x root 5 root 7.
2x root 5.
I think so.
Ah, 2x. Okay, we'll see. 2x root 5 root 7. Okay, let's see. Like that? Okay, we'll see. We're still trying it out. Root 7 plus x. Okay, let me see. Sometimes it's just the way you put this in is so sensitive and it's so unintelligent. Like, I don't know. What else should we do here? Is that even right? Nope. I give up then.
Miss, maybe it's root 35
Yeah.
plus 2 root 3x
2 root
plus
3x
x squared.
2 root 3x. Where did 3 come from? Oh, like, 2 root 3x plus x squared, yeah? Is that what you mean?
Yes.
Well, that cannot be, because to be able to add or subtract surds, the inside, the roots has to be the same. So root 5 times root 7. It doesn't give answers. Okay, you guys give me a second. I'm going to check this out now, because it's sometimes just a case of putting it in the right way.
I think it's root 35.
Yeah.
Plus 2x.
Root 35. Root 35 plus 2x root 5.
Plus root 7 plus
root
x.
7 plus x squared.
I think
Okay, maybe if we put it in that way, it's going to work. Let's see. plus 2x root 5 plus root 7 plus x squared.
I tried.
You tried, yes, you did. Okay. Hang on a minute. Root 5 plus
Did you try root 5x plus root 7x?
I think we did root 5x. That's the first one we did. Root. Oh, this thing is ridiculous. Root 5 times x. It's going to go to the end now. And that's root 7 times x. That's the first one. That's what Hamad put in first. And it didn't come up. Yeah. Then we put the x's in front. So 5 times root 5 times root 7 is root 35. Can root 35 be simplified anyway? No? It's only 5 times 7. Times x root 5 times x root 7 times x squared.
Root 12x. It's wrong, but try it.
Root 12x. Where?
Remove the 5 and the 7 and just put 12.
No, that's not going to work. I know that's not
I
going
hate
to work.
this.
Root 12. That's just not going to work. No, that would have been magic.
Can I try?
What?
It will be root 35 plus root 5x plus x root 7 plus x power 2.
Root 5x plus x root 7.
Yes.
No.
I think the end of root 5 space x, not with the root.
X root 7.
Try this.
No, I mean root 5.
Yeah.
Space x. Multiply. Yeah.
So x times root 5.
No, I mean root 5.
Yes.
And space x.
It's not going to allow me to put any space in.
Like the sign. Multiply.
Oh, times.
Yeah, times x.
Oh, it's not going to let me, like if I put times, it's going to come as x. Oh, right. This times, you mean this? No, that's not going to work.
Remove x, teacher.
Oh, like let's have x squared here.
I think root 5x.
5x.
Yeah, it's root 5 times x.
Yeah.
Root 5 times x.
Yeah.
No.
Root
times
5x.
X here.
Yes.
Yeah.
That's the first thing we did. That's the first thing we did.
Miss, try root 5.
Yes.
Plus x root 7.
Root 5 plus x root 7. Okay, let's see now. No, big bomb.
No, but you wrote 5x.
Root
Move,
5,
x.
right?
Yeah.
Plus x root 7. No. We have to look at what we're doing wrong, okay? So we're not doing it right. So maybe there's a problem. Okay, so root 5 times root 7 is root 35. And root 5 times x is x root 5. Plus, it's nothing to do with us. Maybe it's the application, okay? Maybe it's not understanding us, or we are not communicating. No, we're not communicating with it properly. I'm thinking that maybe it's something to do with this first sign here that we put in.
Or maybe remove right 35.
And I think we tried that as well. We put root 5 times root 7. And that didn't work either. It didn't work. So root 35.
Let's try root 12.
Root 12 in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's not going to work, is it? No, because it's 5 times 7.
Let's do the other one.
Okay. Okay, that's enough now. We're going to finish the lesson. We didn't get that question right. Let's do the next one. Okay, you guys do the next one. I'll try that one now and see what the problem is. What we're not doing right, okay? And if we are happy that we can do it right, then we will just ignore the app, because sometimes it's the app, it's not us. Okay, where is my root 5? Oh, it's a simple problem. It should be 5 plus x times root 7 plus x.
Question 4 is x minus 7.
X minus 7. Okay, I'm gonna have a look for you now. Well done. So time to finish off. I think we are right. I put it on Symbol Lab and checked it. It's the same thing that we did. So I don't know why. Maybe the thing is crazy. Oh, let's see. Maybe if I put it inside of it. That's what we did. 5x. And 7x. That's what we did. And it didn't come. So
No, there is 2x.
Yes.
Where?
In the root 7.
Ah, here. It still didn't come. It's crazy.
Miss, I tried to do 35 root plus 5x.
Yeah.
Plus, yeah, put 5x, not root, without root.
Yes.
And then try x 7. I think is working. X root 7. Yeah.
So now we are just playing with the algorithm of this thing. We're not really solving any maths. We're just playing with the algorithm because we've done it right, but we're just trying to get the answer that they put in the, because that's what is happening. The answer they put inside of their thing is not matching with our answer that we have written. Is it this root 7?
Yes, please.
No. What we wrote before is correct. Root 5x.
Root 5x.
Root 5x plus root 7x is correct, yeah? Or x root 5 plus x root 7. Any of those ones are correct. Root 5 times x or root 7 times x or x root 5, x root 7, they are correct, yeah? Take it from me.
Okay, question 5.
Yeah, what's question 5? What's the answer?
X minus 6 root x plus 9.
X minus x root
No, minus
x
6.
minus 7.
6.
Minus 6
root
x plus 9. So well done. So it was just this silly one that was giving us headache.
Miss, can you explain the last one?
This one? Okay, let's do it together. So it's root x minus 3 times root x minus 3. Okay, so root x times root x is x. Root x times negative 3 is negative 3 root x. Negative 3 root times root x is negative 3 root x. And negative 3 times negative 3 is positive 9, okay? And when you are adding or subtracting roots, when the root is the same, you just add or subtract the outside numbers, okay? So it will be x minus 3 is minus 6 root x. We leave the root as it is and plus 9, okay? Math class is always like that. You just be doing it, you'll be fine until you get to one challenge and everybody will just be on standstill. Okay, so let's have a look. You guys, you got Rim out of her shell. Okay. If n is an integer but not a perfect square, n is irrational. Yeah, standard practice with fraction is to make the denominator rational. The process of doing this is called rationalizing the denominator. We've talked about this. You know this. I've taught you. I've said it 1 million times, even in this lesson today. So, you multiply the top number and the bottom number by the square root on the bottom, so that you get rid of the bottom, the root sign on the bottom, yeah? And if you have an expression with a plus or negative sign, you use the opposite sign to rationalize the denominator. Like in this one, you have 1 plus root x, so you use 1 minus root x to times the top and the bottom numbers to rationalize the denominator. If n is a square number, write 1 over root n minus 1 in the form a plus root b, a plus b root x, where a and b are rational. Yeah, it's the same thing as we've been doing. Okay, So you guys, the last couple of questions before we finish, okay? Rationalize the denominator for these ones. 1, 2, 3. Quickly, guys, you become the master of surds before we finish this lesson. Okay. In your life as a student, make sure you fight to learn things. Make sure you fight to get your knowledge. It's more important than any grade anybody will give to you, any scores, okay? Because the thing that you know and you understand, nobody can take it from you. But I can come and steal your certificate. Yeah. I can come and steal your qualification. That piece of paper that they give to you. I can steal it and you'll be messed up. Yeah. But I can't steal your knowledge from you unless I make you go mental or something that you know it's yours. Mm. Unbelievable that this tree didn't die. Okay. Good, good, good. Well done, guys. Keep them coming. Okay, somebody's finished. Anyone more to finish? Anybody else finished? Okay, so let's have a look at your answers. Let's have a look at the answers in the chat, okay? So for question 1, we have 2x root 7. Is that correct? Well done. And if anybody needs any explanation on any of those answers, let me know and I will go over them with you, okay? Question 2 is root x over 2x according to the answers I'm getting in the chart. So let's try them out. Root x over 2x. Well done. And 5 times 2 minus 3 root x. Okay, we'll see. 4 minus 9x. This one is a little bit right. 5 times. It's not even letting me put that bracket in. So what do we do? Should we expand the bracket? I don't know. What did you do to get that? Let's see. So you should have done on the top, you should have had 5 times 2 minus 3 root x. Yeah, so this should be 10 minus 15 root x. Should we try that? Well, that's not going to work, is it? Because the bottom number is minus 15 with x. Ooh, see? You just need a little bit of confidence. See, lots of maths coming in. For those of us who like maths, tick, good ones coming in. Okay, guys, let's see what's on. The third one. Okay, so let's do that one together then. I don't know why they put this silly thing on here. Let me see whether I can cover it. Draw, yeah, draw. Format, white. Yay, I covered it. Right, so now we have space to write. 5 over 2 plus 3 root x, yeah? So we did this by multiplying it with the conjugate pair. University of South Wales. University of South Wales is my school. I schooled in Wales, college in Wales, school, uni in Wales. So I'm going to times this 5 over 2 plus 3 root x times 2 minus 3 root x over 2 minus 3 root x. Okay. So I need to, it's back. Okay, so, and now you can write this in expanded form. I'll do them on the side here. 5 times 2 minus 3 root x is equal to 5 times 2 is 10 minus 5 times 3 root x is 15 root x. So the top is going to be 10 minus 15 root x over the bottom numbers are 2 plus 3 root x times 2 minus 3 root x. Yeah, 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times negative 3 root x is negative 6 root x. 3 root x times 2 is plus 6 root x. And 3 root x times 3 root x is what? 3 times root x times negative 3 times root x. Yeah. So 3 times negative 3 is what? Yeah. 3 times negative 3 is negative 9. And root x times root x is x. Okay? Do you get it now? And the ones in the middle, negative 9x. These two will cancel out each other and you would have 4 minus 9x. Are you happy now?
Yes, yes.
Okay. That's how we got it. You guys, you don't want this lesson to end. You guys that normally beg me to end the lesson, you are pushing. You normally say, Miss, can we have a break? Now, can we just rest from this problem? It's enough. Okay. So we got 8 minutes to the end of the lesson. Let me see what's on the last slide. Clear all drawings. And let's see what's on the last few slides. Oh, it's just blah, blah, blah. Yeah. You remember Pythagoras? C squared is equal to the square root of C is equal to the square root of A squared plus B squared. So the perimeter would be equal to x plus the square root of x squared plus x squared. Can anybody tackle that problem? Just a little challenge. Now that's problem solving. Now that's maths. Okay, that's when you have to think. Oh gosh.
For which one, teacher?
Pardon?
For which one?
For this one, it says find an expression. I'll show you now. Find an expression for the perimeter of this triangle.
Okay.
Everybody's quiet. They are trying to solve. Oh, goodness me. Yes, anybody got it? Right, you are trying to guess now. You are trying to guess.
I try to guess, but I don't know how to get it.
You try to guess. Anybody else wants to guess? This one or this one? This one? This is the one you guessed, Hamad.
Yes.
Or this one? This one, yeah? Oops. Anybody else wants to take a guess?
Or maybe
The
2x.
first one.
The first one? Why do I feel that you will have an oops on that one? Oh! Well done. How did you work it out now? Right, you be the teacher for 2 minutes. Explain. You can say it in Arabic if you want to.
I didn't do it. I just guessed.
It was just a guess. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is how people pass exams. This is why you should never leave any question unanswered. You see? If you don't know it, just guess, all right? You never know, your guess might be right. Oh my goodness. Oh, well done, you.
Lucky one.
Okay. Anyways, we have come to the end of this lesson. Okay, guys, I know you guys don't want the lesson to end. You need to go now, all right? I need to chase you off to go and enjoy the rest of your day. Oh, it was lovely. We had a lovely morning. I'll see you all tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you. Have a good day.
Online, yeah. Bye now.
Bye, Mass.
Bye.
Bye, Miss.
Bye.
Miss, I have a question.
Go ahead.
Miss, where I can get access to the revision that will be, like, are there going to be any videos that will help for the exam?
Which of the exams?
The further maths on 10th of June.
Or Moodle? That's where everything is, okay?
Okay, thank you.
You got your Moodle account, your Moodle login.
Sorry?
Have you got your Moodle login?
Yeah, of course.
Everything will be on Moodle, lesson videos and anything that I want you to prepare will be on Moodle, all right?
All right, thank you, teacher.